Because of the economical problems during the Victorian age, a lot of women, both single and married, had to find work at work. There were different kinds of work which were typical for the woman. The first job, which was widespread for the woman, was the domestic work. That, for example, could include to keep a house clean. Maybe it could also include taking care of the children in the rich families. The second job, which a lot of women had, was in the textile fabrics, where the women worked in a mill. In the mills they expressly had to work as weavers. The third job was in the piece workshop, where they had to produce shillings. The reason why some workers are against the laws of children and women's work could be because of the economical situation is so bad, that the women and children have to do a lot of work, also harder work to earn money for the family to survive. In the statistic, the mill workers and their payment are shown. It is shown that a lot of the men workers get a higher payment than the women, even though the percent of women workers was higher in the mill. This is because the men have more important work to do, for example, overseers and clerks, or luggage keeper. These jobs are both jobs which the women couldn't do. It is also shown how many women who worked as weavers. That was an important job in the Victorian age. In the mill with the textile work, there were a lot more of women working than men, which of course is because this job was more easy and not that hard to do. Because of all the women who was working, it can be concluded how important it was for the families to have the whole family working to provide money for the family to survive.